Good day, sir. So, I will gonna make my DIY shuttlecock using the materials that I have at home. Okay? So first, I have my disposable cup, electrical tape, styro. So, let's begin. First, let's cut the styro into multiple square shapes. Stack the styro together and using a thread and a needle, secure it. In this case, I use the styro to become the base of our shuttlecock. It causes the shuttlecock to bounce. By using a cutter or a blade, I use it to mold the styro into a round shape. By cutting the edges, it makes the styro more round, just like the shuttlecock. At this time, it is up to you on what measurement of a round shape you want for your DIY shuttlecock. Here, I prefer to use a walis tambo to become the feathers of my DIY shuttlecock. I use tape to secure the walis tambo feathers and make it more thicker looking for the shuttlecock to look great. Here, the process is not easy because you need to be careful so that you could create a better looking feathers and thicker one. Using a tape, I secure the styrofoam to become more rounder and great looking. Then the next process, I rolled the feathers into the base itself. At this moment, I have rolled the feathers into the ball to create the first layer of the feathers. But it is not that thicker, so I created another layer. And at this phase, patience is very essential so that you could create a better feather for your DIY shuttlecock. Here, another layer of the feather is applied and we need to cut the edges because it is now thicker looking. And because I am not fully satisfied, I rolled another tape to create a new layer for the third one. And at this phase, I have trimmed my feathers and retouched my base to create a better looking shuttlecock using an electric tape. To create a bit of a volume for my feathers, I put a plastic at the center of my shuttlecock. Now I am nearly done with my shuttlecock. Look how great it is, and of course bouncy and look alike with the original one. Now let's create our rocket. My materials are cardboard, so I molded the cardboard into a round shape to become the base of my rocket. Since the cardboard will serve as the edge of my rocket, so let's cut the center of the round cardboard. Now it's time for us to mold the styro into a round shape to become the base of our rocket. Here, it will serve as the base to where the shuttlecock bounces. Okay? Using a double-sided tape, let's secure the styrofoam into the edges of the cardboard. A strong force will do to stick it together. To make it more secure, staple it together. And to create a better endurance with a rocket, secure it with a sticky tape at the edge. And of course, don't forget to cut the unnecessary edges from your rocket. Here, I used to cut the edge of my rocket to create a station for my handle. Okay? I place a round cardboard and stick it to the rocket base so that I can attach easily my handle for my rocket. And of course, don't forget to put some decorations. This yellow electric tape will do so that it will be paired with my yellow shuttlecock. Now let's try to use our DIY shuttlecock and rocket. So this is my final output. Thank you for watching.